Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use countdown sticker on Instagram. So all you have to do now is open your Instagram and create your story. Here you can add stickers. You can tap stickers icon and tap on countdown, so you can tap the countdown time. For example, sun setting, and you can set date and time. For example, you can try to add for tomorrow, and here we go, 1 hour 36 minutes and 31 seconds. And also you can let people turn on reminders and share this countdown to their stories. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.